Welcome to my channel Homeschool Learner to Know the World. Today I will tell you about lion. The lion, Panthera leo, is a large cat of the genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. It is sexually dimorphic. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a prominent mane. It is a social species forming groups called prides. A lion's pride consists of a few adult males, related females, and cubs. Groups of female lions usually hunt together, preying mostly on large ungulates. The lion is an apex and keystone predator. Although some lions scavenge when opportunities occur and have been known to hunt human and species typically doesn't. The scientific classification of lion is kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, suborder Feliformia, family Felidae, subfamily Pantherinum, genus Panthera, species Panthera leo. Binomial name Panthera leo. Typically, the lion inhabits a grassland and savannas but is absent in dense forest. It is usually more diurnal than other wildcats, but when persecuted, it adapts to being active at night and at twilight. During the Neolithic period, the lion ranged throughout Africa, Southeast Europe, and Caucasus, and Western and South Asia. But it has been reduced to fragment population in sub-Saharan Africa and one population in Western India. It has been listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List since 1996 because population in African countries have declined by about 43% since the early 1990s. Lion populations are untenable outside designated protected area. Although the cause of the decline is not fully understood, habitat loss and conflict is with humans are the greatest causes for concern. One of the most widely recognized animal symbols in human culture, the lion has been extensively depicted in sculptures and paintings, on national flags, and in contemporary films and literature. Lions have been kept in menageries since the time of the Roman Empire and have been a key species sought for exhibition in zoological gardens across the world since the late 18th century. Cultural depictions of lions were prominent in ancient Egypt, and depictions have occurred in virtually all ancient and medieval cultural in the lion's historic and current range. Some fun facts about lions are: lions are most active at night and live in a variety of habitats. The heaviest lion on record weighed an amazing 826 pounds or all about 375 kilograms. The roar of a lion can be heard from 8 kilometers or all about 5 miles away. When a lion breeds with a tiger, the result is a liger or tiger. Lions rest for roughly 20 hours of every day. Lions can reach speeds of up to 81 km per hour or all about 50 mile per hour, but only in short bursts because of a lack of stamina. Lions are the only cats that live in groups called prides. Known colloquially as the king of the jungle, lions do not actually live in jungles. Male lions have a range of roughly 100 square miles. Lions hunt large animals such as zebra and wildebeest. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.